The week function returns the week number of the year for a date time column. Let's begin by creating a beast mode called week. January 1st is the first week of the year, and February 14th is the seventh week of the year. Now, let's see how this looks in our data. It is always a best practice to check your aggregation settings on any column you bring into a card. In this case, we want to make sure the week column is not aggregated. This function has successfully extracted the numerical week of the year from our date time column. Thank you for watching. Follow Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.